Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to copy and paste elements in Krita. So first we need to import image to project. So I open directory where my image is saved. For example, I have here file that I would like to copy and paste. So I need to drag and drop it inside the project. We will need to click here on insert a new layer option. And now we need to click on move a layer option and we need to click on our image. Then we need to click Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And how you see, our image has been successfully copied and pasted to a new layer. So now we can move it to the right side. And how you see, it is copied now. The second method is based on tabs. We need to select layer that we want to copy. And after that, we need to go to edit and we need to click copy. Then we need to go to edit and we need to click paste. Then new layer will be successfully added to Krita. And again, we will be able to move this image to the downside. And it's all for today. If I helped you to copy and paste in Krita, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.